Sam here from New Hampshire Aviation. Today I'm going to be showing you my fictional airline called Sam Airlines. This will be the first part of a series where I create a fictional airline called Sam Airlines, and I make videos on it and try to make it as realistic as possible. The goal of Sam Airlines is to connect all the US in one stop and eventually Asia. This is the Sam Airlines logo. It is made up of gold stripes and blue. Sam Airlines will be operating the Boeing 737 MAX 10. I chose this aircraft because of its fuel efficiency and the flexibility it will provide us. Sam Airlines will have its main hub in Salt Lake City, Utah. All flights in Phase 1 will go through Salt Lake City, Utah. Sam Airlines will have 3 routes, the first one being from LAX to Salt Lake City to New York City JFK. The second route will be from San Francisco to Salt Lake City to Chicago. And the third route will be from Seattle to Salt Lake City to Washington, D.C. This will mean that all flights will connect through Salt Lake City. And so, for example, if you wanted to go from New York to San Francisco, you would board the flight to Los Angeles. Then once you would stop in Salt Lake City, you could connect onto a flight to San Francisco. All flights will depart from the East Coast at the same time. Then they will arrive in Salt Lake City, and then they will wait until a time when they all leave at the same time. So for Sam Airlines, at 6 a.m., the flights from the East will fly, then they will go to the Salt Lake City hub, then they will wait till they've all arrived, and then they'll continue on west. The business model of Sam Airlines is to connect the US in one stop and eventually Asia. Sam Airlines is also trying to corner the Asian American market and to be one of the first airlines to serve it primarily. So I did some pricing for Sam Airlines, and I calculated some prices. So Sam Airlines will have 4 737 MAX 10s, which will cost $143 million each and come out to $572 million. Now remember that this price can be negotiated and we will probably get discounts on it. So we will land at DC twice, and so this landing fee will be multiplied times 2 each day. So to land at DC, it will cost $9,585. To land at Salt Lake City, which this is 4 landings, which will be performed twice a day, will cost $18,568. LAX will cost $8,935. San Francisco will cost $11,587. Chicago will cost $10,676, and Seattle will cost $9,469. Now, keep in mind that this is an extremely rough estimate, and I may be off in my math, so if I am wrong, make sure to correct me in the comments and tell me what I did wrong. So for the gas prices, for each flight route, we will travel 6,967 miles, and we will do this twice a day because there are 2 flights per destination on Sam Airlines. So for each 6,967 miles, it will come out to $25,712.50. Now if I'm wrong, make sure to tell me and show me what I did wrong. So this is the first video. In the second video, I will go over Phase 2 of New Hampshire Airlines, Sam Airlines, and we will be expanding to Texas and Florida. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.